In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Outlook calendar. If you want to let someone know when you're available or invite them to a scheduled event, Outlook makes that process quick and straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to create a calendar event and share it with other people directly from Outlook. Start by opening Outlook on your device. Once Outlook is open, look for the Calendar section and click on it. This will take you to your calendar view, where you can see your schedule and create new events. From there, click New Event. This opens the event creation window, where you'll enter all the important details. Begin by typing in the name of the event. Make the title clear and specific, so attendees immediately understand what the event is about. A good event name also makes it easier to find later in your calendar. Next, add the attendees. This is where you choose the people you want to share the calendar event with. As you enter attendees, Outlook may suggest contacts automatically, which can help speed things up. Be sure to double-check that you've selected the correct people before moving on. After that, select the date and time for the event. Take a moment to make sure the schedule is accurate, especially if the event is time-sensitive or involves multiple attendees. Choosing the right date and time is important because this is what will appear on everyone's calendar once the invitation is sent. You can also enter a message in the body of the event. This is helpful if you want to include extra context, meeting details, reminders, or anything attendees should know before the event begins. Even a short message can make the invitation much more useful and professional. Once everything is filled out, review the event one final time. Confirm that the event name is correct, the attendees are right, the date and time are accurate, and the message includes any necessary information. Taking a few seconds to review can help avoid mistakes and save time later. When you're done, click Send. Outlook will then send the event invitation to the attendees you selected. They'll be able to receive the invite, review the details, and add it to their own calendar. And that's it. That's how to share your Outlook calendar by creating and sending an event in Outlook. It's a simple way to keep everyone informed and organized.